In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing using a free bot, and if you do it right, it's almost like print your own money. But before I show you how you can do that, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country, and that way I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. So I found a real way that you can use this absolutely free bot called ChatGPT to start earning a few $100s per day. You don't need to invest a single dime. It's so easy a 5-year-old could do it, and you won't need a website or traffic. So if you ever wanted to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, smash that like button, watch the full video, and follow along step by step. So I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing using a free bot, ChatGPT. But the real question is, how are we going to use this bot effectively so that you can start making profits and building your income from this? So what we're going to do today is use a platform called Quora. And Quora is basically a social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, etc. But on this platform, a lot of people are just asking questions and looking for answers. But what if you could get these answers in a few seconds and monetize these answers using an affiliate marketing product? This is one of the easiest and best ways to use ChatGPT, because you don't need to do the writing yourself and you don't have to create a blog. Basically, the only thing you need to do is get the answer to a question, copy and paste it on a Quora, add an affiliate marketing product to monetize your answer, and you're good to go. Using the strategies that I'm going to show you on Quora, the chances are you'll be able to generate a few $100s a day if you do this consistently for at least an hour or two every single day. And the process is actually really simple. So what you need to do first, we need to find some problems that people may have. And I believe 3 of the biggest problems that people have are basically relationship problems, finance, health and fitness, weight loss, etc. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and if you follow each and every step, you'll know how to make money with affiliate marketing. So what we can do, for example, is just go into the search for Quora, and let's just start with weight loss and hit enter. And if we scroll over to the filters here by time, we just want to select past week because we don't want any old questions. And if we read through the questions, we can see what are some healthy weight loss tips, what supplements should I use for weight loss, does a keto plan help to reduce weight loss? So what we can simply do is just take this question here and copy it. And then we can go back to OpenAI and just enter it here. And we want to hit this little icon here to the right. And just like that, we can generate the answer that we can now use on Quora. But before we send them the answer, we want to add the affiliate marketing product to monetize it. Now that it's done, we can just copy it and we'll go back to Quora and we're going to answer it. So we just want to paste that in. And as you can see, it's a really good answer. It's laid out and everything is step by step. But what you want to do is just read through it and check for errors. And if you want to, you can add something to it or you can just keep it like it is. And now we want to monetize it with affiliate marketing. So I'll just go below this and I'll just add, for example, my personal recommendation for weight loss. And what I would do here is simply go to a platform like digistore24.com. And on this platform, we can find the affiliate marketing product to monetize our answer and make money. These are products you don't have to create yourself. We just copy and paste the affiliate link, which is a link that's associated with your account. And if anyone clicks on this link through your recommendation as we've created here on Quora, then you can make money out of this and you can get paid from affiliate marketing products. So if you go to Digistore24 and let me see, the question is, what are some healthy weight loss tips? So we can go back to Digistore24 and we just want to look under fitness and health. And then you can just look through these products and see which one would be a good fit to answer the question on Quora. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And then you would simply copy the affiliate link. As you see, it's just copied to clipboard. And then you would use a website like Bitly, which is a link shortener. You would just paste your link in here, shorten it, and you would copy that. And that's what you would paste in here on Quora. You can also use clickbank.com. Just go over to the affiliate marketplace and here you have your categories. So for example, let's just go with health and fitness. And as you can see, you got 740 products to choose from that you can start promoting to make the profits from these products. So if we just look at the product here at Alpiline, you can just click on it to see what this page is about. And as you can see, the Alpine Secret for healthy weight loss. So actually, this would be a perfect product that you can take and recommend to all of these people on Quora to help them lose weight. But you can use any ClickBank product that you believe is a good fit. Just get your affiliate link that you can find here under promote and you can start promoting it. This strategy doesn't only work for weight loss, you can also go into Quora and search side hustle. Make sure it's for the past week and follow the same step-by-step process we did for weight loss. And what's so amazing about this is that if one of these questions go viral and you provided a good detailed answer using ChatGPT, then you can rank and go viral with this question and you could get a lot of traffic. If you're going to add your affiliate link, then you can start making money using this strategy. And this strategy is all about the volume. So if you're going to answer just one question, you probably won't make any money. But if you're going to start answering multiple questions in multiple niches under multiple categories, then the chances of that question going viral with your answer is a lot higher and you can get a lot of traffic. This is how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I believe affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. So what I just gave you is the framework, but it won't work if you're not going to take action. So what you need to do now is just go through this video once again and take action on every single step that I just showed you. And if you do that, you can expect to make some money using ChatGPT and affiliate marketing. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.